Welcome to Travel and Adventure. Ever wondered where the most breathtaking destinations are for every season? Today, we're taking you on a journey through the best travel spots for each time of the year. Spring is all about vibrant colors and blooming landscapes. Imagine wandering through the Tulip Festival in Amsterdam or admiring cherry blossoms in Tokyo. Both offer stunning natural beauty and delightful weather. As we transition into summer, it's the perfect time for sunny beaches and thrilling adventures. Relax on Bali's crystal-clear shores, join the lively summer festivals in Barcelona, or hike the majestic Rockies for endless outdoor enjoyment. When fall arrives, it paints landscapes with rich hues and brings harvest festivals to life. Picture yourself enjoying the breathtaking fall colors in New England or celebrating Oktoberfest in Munich. It's the ideal season for cozy getaways and scenic drives. Finally, winter brings its own magic with snowy landscapes and festive cheer. From the dazzling holiday lights in New York City to skiing in the Swiss Alps or escaping to the warm beaches of the Caribbean, winter offers a variety of experiences. No matter which season you choose to travel, remember to pack accordingly. Layering for unpredictable spring and fall weather, sunscreen and light clothing for summer, and warm attire for winter. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this seasonal travel guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and destination ideas. Comment below with your favorite seasonal spots and let us know where you'd like us to explore next. Happy travels!